Welcome to Bestsellers Market, your go-to channel for discovering the top products in every category. Today, we have an exciting countdown lined up for you. We're diving into the world of gas tank doors, uncovering the best-selling products on Amazon. Without further ado, let's get started on our countdown of the best-selling gas tank doors. Stay tuned and enjoy. Number 5 on our list is the remarkable Jacquard aluminum gas cap fuel filler door cover. Specifically designed for Jeep Wrangler models from 2007 to 2018 JK and unlimited accessories. This sleek and sturdy accessory promises not only to enhance the look of your vehicle, but also to offer outstanding durability and protection. Fit perfectly for Jeep Wrangler JK Rubicon, Sahara, and unlimited models, whether it's a 2-door or 4-door configuration. But take note, it does not fit the 2018 JL model. Now, what sets this fuel filler door cover apart is its hassle-free installation. No drilling is required. With an ABS-based construction, it ensures a snug fit without any movement or looseness over time. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, this gas cap features a black powder coat finish that not only looks great but also resists rust and corrosion. Imagine adding a touch of sporty elegance to your Jeep with this heavy-duty metal gas cap. It's not just about style, though. This cover is resistant to gasoline and other hazardous chemicals, ensuring it stands up to the rigors of everyday use. So, if you're looking to upgrade your Jeep Wrangler's appearance and functionality with minimal effort, the Jacquard aluminum gas cap fuel filler door cover is your go-to choice. Enhance your ride with this superb accessory today. Next up, at number 4 in our countdown of the best-selling gas tank doors on Amazon, we have the gas fuel door cover release spring clip designed for the Toyota RAV4, specifically for the 2019 to 2021 models. This product offers a seamless and precise fit, making it an ideal replacement for your RAV4's fuel door. What makes this spring clip stand out? First, its precision fit ensures that it integrates perfectly with your vehicle, maintaining the sleek look of your RAV4. It's crafted with high-quality materials, built to withstand various weather conditions, promising durability and long-lasting performance. Every time you refuel, you'll appreciate the smooth operation of this spring clip. No more struggling with the fuel door. It opens effortlessly, making refueling a breeze. This clip replaces the part number 77360-35040, guaranteeing compatibility and a hassle-free installation process. And the best part? It's DIY friendly. With just a few basic tools, you can easily install this spring clip yourself, saving both time and money on mechanic fees. Elevate your Toyota RAV4's functionality with the gas fuel door cover release spring clip. It's an upgrade in convenience and reliability that you don't want to miss. Coming in at number 3 on our list of the best-selling gas tank doors on Amazon, we have the A. Abigail Fuel Gas Filler Door Housing Pocket with Hinge. This essential accessory is designed for the 2009 to 2014 Ford F150 and the 2010 to 2014 Lincoln Mark LT, providing a perfect blend of functionality and durability. Let's dive into what makes this fuel filler door housing stand out. Imagine trying to refuel your vehicle and struggling with a malfunctioning gas door that just won't close properly. Frustrating, right? That's where the A. Abigail Fuel Filler Door Housing Hinge Pocket comes in. This product allows you to easily open the fuel cap and put in the fuel nozzle for a seamless refilling experience. Crafted with high-quality materials, this fuel filler housing bracket door hinge boasts a redesigned enclosure that ensures longer-lasting performance compared to factory components. It's a direct replacement, meaning it fits and functions just like the original equipment manufacturer part, even though it's not a genuine Ford or Lincoln component. This fuel door hinge is specifically tailored for the 2009 to 2014 Ford F150 and the 2010 to 2014 Lincoln Mark LT. You'll find the gas door housing conveniently located near the left side rear fender of your truck, making it easily accessible. It replaces part numbers 9L3Z9927936-B and 9L3Z9927936-B, ensuring compatibility and a perfect fit. And here's the best part. Abigail offers a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you encounter any issues with the fuel neck filler housing, simply contact their customer service for troubleshooting help, parts replacement, or a refund. Their aim is to ensure you're completely satisfied with both the parts and the service they provide. Upgrade your vehicle's functionality with the A. Abigail Fuel Gas Filler Door Housing Pocket with Hinge. It's an investment in quality and convenience that you won't regret. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling gas tank doors on Amazon? Well, don't let your enthusiasm run out of gas. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to fuel up with more great content. Now, at number 2 in our countdown of the best-selling gas tank doors on Amazon, we have the exceptional Fuel Filler Door Housing Pocket Assembly. Designed specifically for Ford F150 models from 2009 to 2014, and the Lincoln Mark LT from 2010 to 2014, this product offers both reliability and ease of installation. Let's talk about functionality. This fuel filler door housing hinge pocket allows you to effortlessly open the fuel cap and refuel your vehicle. If your original gas door housing has started to malfunction and won't close properly, it's time for a replacement. And this product is the perfect solution. Constructed with high-strength plastic and high-quality silica gel, this fuel filler door housing ensures durability and longevity. Despite its affordable price, the quality is top-notch. Rigorous testing of vehicle accessories ensures a perfect fit and easy installation, saving you time and effort. Replacing part numbers: 9L3Z9927936-B, 9L3Z9927936-B, 4L3Z9927936-BA, 4L3Z9927936-BA, 924801, and 924-801. This fuel door housing pocket is a direct replacement. It fits seamlessly into your 2009 to 2014 Ford F150 or 2010 to 2014 Lincoln Mark LT. Please note, it does not fit flare-side, step-side, or heritage models. What will you get with this product? A single fuel door housing pocket, exactly as shown in the pictures. And if you have any questions or concerns, the manufacturer is always ready to assist you, standing by your side to solve any problems you may encounter. Enhance the functionality and appearance of your vehicle with the Fuel Filler Door Housing Pocket Assembly. It's a smart investment for any Ford F150 or Lincoln Mark LT owner looking to maintain their vehicle's performance and convenience. Finally, at number 1 in our countdown of the best-selling gas tank doors on Amazon, we present the LYWDFG Transit Fuel Door Assembly with white cover. This top-tier product is designed to fit Ford Transit vans 150, 250, and 350 HD models from 2015 to 2023, specifically for gasoline engines only. The LYWDFG Fuel Filler Door Housing and Door Hinge Assembly offers unparalleled compatibility and precision. It perfectly matches your Ford Transit, ensuring a seamless replacement and maintaining the vehicle's sleek aesthetic. This assembly is built to replace OE numbers CK4Z-5427936-A, CK4Z-5427936-F, and CK4Z-5427936-J, guaranteeing a factory OE-style fit and function. What makes this product truly exceptional is its quality and construction. Crafted from high-grade ABS and PC material, the Fuel Filler Pocket Kit is engineered to meet original OEM standards, promising durability and a long lifespan. The included white painted filler door cover adds a touch of elegance, making your van look as good as new. The package comes complete with everything you need for a straightforward installation. Say goodbye to costly trips to the automobile maintenance store. This fuel tank filler pipe is not only cost-effective but also easy to install, saving you both time and money. Simply replace your damaged or old fuel filler pocket with this high-quality assembly and experience the difference. LYWDFG ensures your product arrives in perfect condition, carefully packaged with suitable sized carton and bubble wrap cushioning. And if you encounter any issues, their customer service team is ready to assist you, replying within 24 hours. So, if you're looking for the best in quality, fit, and convenience for your Ford Transit van, the LYWDFG Transit Fuel Door Assembly is your top choice. Enhance your vehicle's performance and appearance with this outstanding product. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling gas tank doors on Amazon. To keep up with the latest bestsellers, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the top products we covered today. Until next time, thank you and see you soon.